After 5 weeks of hybrid learning, Fayette County Public Schools today phased in full-time face-to-face learning for 3rd and 6th graders, and more grades will follow over the next few weeks. Our data analyst partners at Alpharetta-based IPC Global looked at the data and agreed Fayette County is ready.
I feel very comfortable with our district's data. It is trending very much in the right direction.
The current superintendent of Fayette County Public Schools addressed families in this YouTube video last week about the phase-in plan for 3rd and 6th graders starting Monday, September 28th. Pre-K through 2nd grade has been in school and hybrid 5 days a week since August 17th. IPC Global charted the data for Fayette County. The 21-day trend for new cases shows 10 added Sunday, which falls under the median range. And no social vulnerabilities for schools throughout the county, with one exception circled in the upper east side of the county where unemployment is higher. Otherwise,
but there are no flags as it relates to school reopenings that would suggest that there's a heightened level of concern.
In his YouTube address, the superintendent said it's a trial and they can pause if needed or move forward quicker if successful.
But we're not going to go in a hurry. We're going to look at the data based on 2-week cycles.
So the superintendent said much of their success is attributed to protocols in place and will continue to insist on masks for students, staff, and visitors to keep everyone safe. Then in 2 weeks, they'll assess for the return for 4th and 7th grade students. And many children are on fall break and will head back to school for the first time on Monday.
Yep, and here's a county